My name's Alexander Hewitt and I'm in year 11.
My name is Chiara and I'm in year 11.
The definition of resilience, I was told quite simply, it was literally the ability to bounce back up. So it's what you do to pull yourself back up after you've been knocked down. So after a hardship, after tough things you encounter in your life, it's how well you put yourself back together.
Resilience is important because with resilience we can improve and grow as people, as nations, as communities.
At Scots, we get lots of support from our teachers and from all the staff and students around us.
My French teacher last year encouraged me to go on an exchange to France, which I did, and I stayed in Nîmes in the south of France for 4 months, which was an amazing experience.
I went away on exchange to France. What I did is I stayed in contact with some of my teachers, and my French teacher was constantly helping me improve my French while I was over there. She was sending me all this content and stuff to keep my French improving above and beyond what I was really thought I was capable of.
Originally it was a massive shock going to France. The language barrier, I thought I would be fine, but it was not at all like that. It was really difficult. I didn't understand what was going on the first day. I was really, really overwhelmed. But as you go along, it gets better. My language skills improved. My relationships with my family got really good. I knew that it wasn't going to be easy and that I was going to miss my family and everything, but then I sort of said to myself that every day I had to talk to my host sister, host family, and make sure that I was there, I was present. I wouldn't shut myself away in my room, or I would always try and do my very best to be there, to experience the French culture, to experience the language so that I would improve. But most of the time it was really just about putting my best foot forward. It was really rewarding because I think I'm a better person for it.